How to embed a YouTube video in one of your PowerPoint slide. Let's get started. Click on Insert. Then click on Video and select the option Online Video. You have two options here. You can upload a video from your computer, but we are not going to do that. The one we are going to focus on is Online Videos option. This way we could easily embed a video from YouTube. Go to YouTube. And grab the embed code from a video you want. Click on Share Video. Click on Embed. Select the code on your right. Paste the code here in the box and press the arrow. You can adjust to any size you wish. Click to play the slide. Then click on the video play button. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you find the video helpful to you.